Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best TENS unit pads is probably one of the most important accessories for your TENS unit, and choosing the right ones can significantly impact your treatment experience. Finding the perfect pads involves considering factors such as pad size, conductivity, reusability, and overall comfort, all of which play a crucial role in ensuring effective pain relief and a positive therapy session. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the best electrode pads to optimize your TENS unit's performance and achieve the most comfortable and effective pain management. Number 5. AUVON TENS Unit Pads. Experience the next generation of TENS electrode pads, designed for superior comfort and performance. These pads provide reliable relief and are perfect for your electrotherapy needs. Get incredible value with our 20-piece pack. Each pad is flexible, soft, and reusable, ensuring long-lasting relief from your TENS or EMS machine. These pads are made with a low-impedance solid electrode gel and upgraded adhesive for premium performance and easy cleanup. They're also latex-free and skin-friendly for a safe and comfortable experience. With a standard 2mm connector, they're compatible with most TENS units and muscle stimulators. Finding the right fit is easy. Rest assured, these pads are CE and ROHS approved, ensuring your safety and providing a reliable alternative to prescription medication. You'll receive 20 square TENS pads, our 12-month warranty, technical support, and friendly customer service. We've got you covered. What we like? It's a great value with 20 pads. They're designed to be gentle on your skin. If you need a reliable and comfortable option for multiple uses, this is it. What people say? They seem to stick better than the white ones that came with my TENS unit. I use my TENS unit all day. I've had the same two on for a 24-hour period and they never moved. Easy storage, very durable, functions well. These ones are by far the best. When I tell you these are sticky, I mean it. They stay in place, easy to use, easy to store, perfect size, perfect thickness. They seem to be made well and have great durability so far. Universal size for 2mm leads. These patches worked well. They adhered to my skin and were strong. I really liked the fact that they didn't irritate my skin after extended use. These are really good quality and I had no issues with these pads. Number 4. Syrtenty TENS Unit Pads. These reusable pads are designed for superior performance and long-lasting use. They're latex-free and made with a non-irritating gel for comfortable treatment. It works with most TENS units on the market. They're easy to attach and provide a secure connection for effective therapy. These pads are FDA cleared for over-the-counter use, giving you peace of mind. The resealable packaging keeps them fresh and ready to use. The upgraded sticky gel ensures a strong and reliable connection to your skin, maximizing the effectiveness of your treatment. Enjoy consistent performance throughout each session. Experience comfortable and reliable muscle stimulation with these pads. They're perfect for muscle stimulation, EMS, and electrotherapy. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like? This one offers a massive 44 pads. The premium quality ensures long-lasting performance. If you prioritize a large quantity and reliable quality backed by FDA clearance, this is the best choice. What people say? The quality is great, and the leads work perfect. The connectors fit securely and the pads stick well. These replaceable pads fit and work well with my TENS unit. They adhere perfectly and are durable as advertised. Number 3. AUVON TENS Unit Pads. Experience the next generation of electrode pads designed for superior comfort and performance. These pads are flexible, soft, and provide reliable conductivity for your electrotherapy treatments. Get incredible value with our 10-pack of reusable pads. Each pad is durable and easy to use, ensuring you're always prepared for your therapy sessions. Rest assured knowing these pads meet CE and ROHS safety standards. They're made with high-quality materials and designed for reliable performance. They are compatible with many popular TENS and EMS units. The standard 2mm connector ensures seamless integration with your existing equipment. Experience improved adhesion and easy cleanup with our upgraded adhesive. These pads are designed for approximately 45 uses, providing long-lasting value. These pads are latex-free and gentle on the skin, suitable for most users. Enjoy a comfortable and safe experience with every use. You receive 10 large pads, our 12-month warranty, technical support, and friendly customer service. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like? These larger pads offer more coverage. They're built to last and work with many different devices. If you need a larger surface area for treatment and compatibility is key, consider these. What people say. These pads are big and cover a large area. They work great and are compatible with your TENS unit. They adhere to your skin nicely. The adhesive is noticeably stronger, which means better contact and a more effective session. I've been using these pads with my AUVON TENS unit and they're fantastic. The adhesives stick really well and lasts through multiple uses if you take care of them. They're a perfect size for larger muscle areas and come in handy resealable packaging that keeps them fresh. I also love that they're latex-free, so no allergies. Number 2. TENS 7000 Replacement Pads. Experience the convenience and quality of our replacement pads, designed for optimal performance with your TENS unit. They're easy to use and provide reliable relief. These premium pads offer superior performance and are a cost-effective solution. Get 48 pads in a pack for long-lasting use. Made with medical-grade materials, these pads ensure safe and effective electrotherapy. The even current distribution provides comfortable relief. Available over the counter, these pads are comfortable, flexible, and designed for easy application. They're self-adhesive and pre-gelled for your convenience. They're self-adhering and stick easily to your skin. These pads are made without natural rubber latex and are compatible with most TENS units. They work with many TENS devices, including the TENS 7000, TENS 7000 to go, and TENS 3000. They're from a trusted brand with a history of quality. What we like? Get a huge 48 pad pack from a trusted brand. These pads are designed to stick well and last longer. If you want a large quantity and the reliability of a well-known brand, this is a great option. What people say. The adhesive is excellent, ensuring that the pads stay in place throughout the entire therapy session without any discomfort. The performance of these electrode pads is top-notch. The electrical impulses are evenly distributed, providing consistent and targeted pain relief. One of the standout features of the TENS 7000 official TENS unit electrode pads is their longevity. I have been able to use a single set of pads for several months without any decline in their performance. Number 1. LotFancy TENS unit pads. It's a great value. You get 40 large 2x2-inch pads, individually packaged for freshness and easy storage. These pads are designed to fit most devices. They're perfect for TENS, EMS, and muscle stimulators. They're made with soft, latex-free materials. The gentle adhesive and comfortable design make them ideal for sensitive skin. Experience superior conductivity for effective pain relief. They target muscle soreness, stiffness, and chronic pain. With proper care, you can reuse them multiple times. Just remember to clean and dry the application area before each use. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime customer service. What we like? This set includes 40 pads at a great price. They offer excellent conductivity for effective pain relief. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with many pads and strong conductivity, this is for you. What people say. Works well with TENS unit and lasts a long time. I was pleasantly surprised when I bought these pads. There are enough to last at least a year. Adheres well, bigger pads than what's sold in stores. These are exceptional quality. My TENS device came with electrode pads on a clear plastic sheet. On these, the clear plastic pad gives more room around each pad, making it easier to place the pads back on the sheet after my treatment. Also, they last much longer than the other ones, and the wire was a bit longer, which also made it easier to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.